Okay, so I've been using tretinoin for my skin, and while it's amazing for anti-aging, it totally dries me out, and that's where this Core micro-infusion system comes in. This thing is literally dermatologist. Recommended over 50 board. Certified dermatologists recommend it to their patients. What it does is create these tiny microchannels on your skin to infuse serum exactly where you need it. I use the dark spot serum because I have melasma, and the tranexamic acid in it has been helping so much with my uneven tone. But here's the best part. It keeps my skin hydrated and plump even while I'm using tretinoin. The microneedling creates these channels that helps hyaluronic acid and peptides actually penetrate deeper so my skin stays bouncy instead of flaking. I do it every 2 weeks at home. It's virtually painless, takes like 5 minutes, and the next morning my skin is literally glowing. If you're on retinol and struggling with dryness or dealing with dark spots like me, this is a game changer.